What's up guys? Ngayon ay magsusulat ako. Hindi pa natatapos yung ginagawa ko. Wait, saan ko ito ilagay? Leave comments down below. Leave comments down below. Yan. Grade 5 na ako guys. So, let's go. Mong grade 5 na natin guys. Wait lang. South Korean seat. Get it? Wait, malamok. David, kung pinapanood mo, lamok ka. Okay. So guys, I live in the Philippines and yeah, you know about it, right? So let's get started. 1 for 1. From yung for 1 of Philippines. Wait guys. Ay. I'm okay guys. I'm okay. This is not okay. So, let's get started. Kapatapos ko lang maghugas ngayon. Okay. So, ting guys. Okay pa rin. Kaya ba rin yun? Parang nag-roll pa rin. Okay. Grade 5. Nasa chess team now guys. Uy. At nagkakaroon na tayo ng madaming pera. Ano? Okay lang yan. Ano? Okay lang yan. Ano? No guys. Okay lang. Okay, nasa namin ito. Good. Okay na ako guys. Okay, baka mga ilang minuto tayo matatapos, pero okay lang ano. Okay, let's go. Roll pa rin. Okay, nag-roll pa rin. It's pa lang natang blast. Nag-roll pa rin. Nag-roll pa rin. Ay, demonetize. Sorry, demonetize.